Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Unity on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Unity on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, go to the official Unity website by searching for unity.com. And once you're on the website, click the Download Unity button. After that, you'll be asked to log in a Unity account first before you can proceed. If you already have an account, just go to sign in. But if you don't have an account yet, just create one by logging in with your account in other platforms like Google Account. And after logging in, you will now be directed to the Unity dashboard, which is where you will see the download options for the app. Here, simply select the download option that matches your device. For example, if you're using a 64-bit Windows PC, choose the Windows x64 version. If you're using a different operating system, just select the version that's compatible with your device. And after that, the installer file for Unity will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once the download is complete, go ahead and open the installer file. And then the Unity Hub Setup Wizard will appear. From here, simply click Next, accept the license agreement, choose your installation location if you'd like, and then click Install. Now just wait for Unity Hub to finish installing on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Unity Hub should now open automatically. Before you can install Unity, you'll need to sign in with your Unity account. And after logging in, there you go guys. Unity Hub will now begin downloading and installing Unity on your computer. During this process, Unity Hub will also download the additional files required to run Unity properly, such as the Unity editor and any modules or components that you selected earlier. This may take a while since the files are fairly large, so just wait for the installation to finish. And once it's done, Unity will be ready to use, and you can start creating your first project. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.